The thing that my roommate Gabby and I like to do a lot is discuss our top 3 shellfish. What are your top 3, Haley?
Shrimp, scallops, lobster.
Respect. I wouldn't put shrimp at number 1, but I'm not here to yuck your yum.
That wasn't in order.
Oh.
I just freaked out.
Okay. Haley's like... We're gonna start by making the Parmesan polenta that I'm gonna serve these scallops over. So what I'm doing right now is I'm bringing 5 cups of water to a boil. I'm gonna salt it a little too. And we're gonna do, that's a little booger in there. God damn it, guys, who blew their nose into the salt bowl? It's disgusting. It's absolutely disgusting. It's like children. Stop like me. And then we're gonna bring this down to a simmer so that it doesn't burn. I'm going to slice a shallot and mince some garlic. Mincing, mincing. Okay, now we're gonna make a little bit of brown butter and toast some sliced almonds in it. The polenta's speaking to us.
What's it saying? Hello? It's me, polenta.
My butter is foaming, so now I'm going to add the almonds. We're over medium heat. You don't want to be too high because then you're just going to burn the butter and the almonds, and that will be a sad day for everyone. You're going to want to keep an eye on this because they're going to go from toasted to perfection to burnt in the blink of an eye. So don't like go walk the dog right now. That would be a poor choice. See, the butter's starting to get a little brown there. Almonds are getting toasty. Now I'm gonna strain the almonds from the brown butter. Just lightly salt the almonds while they're here. Okay, I'm gonna set these toasted almonds aside for later, and we're gonna transfer this brown butter into a small saucepan. All right, we're warming up our brown butter, and we're just gonna soften our shallots in here and the garlic. Also gonna add in some capers, which add a nice little salty punch. We're gonna take it off the heat and deglaze with a little bit of white wine, and we're also gonna hit it with some fresh lemon juice. Nice and acidic. Some Worcestershire sauce and some hot sauce. Okay, a few things to keep in mind when you're cooking scallops. First thing, moisture is the enemy. If you want to get that nice sear, you want to dry them out as much as you possibly can. So you can do that by just kind of blotting them with a paper towel. You can salt them and leave them uncovered in your fridge for like 15 minutes up to overnight. You want to get in there and remove this little abductor muscle right here. We're going to heat this cast iron to high, and I'm going to add some canola oil. Okay, our polenta is now fully cooked through. It's about 25 minutes. I'm gonna finish it off with some butter and some fresh grated parm. And I'm gonna season it with a little salt and pepper. Creamy and dreamy. Yum. Let's plate this. Haley, how many scallops is an appropriate amount of scallops to eat in one sitting?
4.
See, I would argue 12. But you know. Alright, now we've got our Meunier sauce from earlier. Mama made scallops.
Sarah.
Don't hurt my feelings, Gerjar. Don't hurt them, I'm too fragile.
She's going through the 3 stages.
It's like 12.
Okay. Love. I love the char. a little bit tangy because of all like the shallots and the almond menuire or whatever, like the sauce. I clearly can't speak. Menuire sauce is super delicious. It's dark and it goes so well with the creamy polenta. Good job, Sarah.
Thanks, Rachel. You can get the full recipe on the feedfeed.com and be sure to use your American Express Gold Card to earn 4 times the membership rewards points at US supermarkets. Points limit and terms apply.